Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to simplify rational expression, and we will have question mix between taking a greatest common factor and factoring trinomial or difference between square or difference between two cubes, sum of two cubes. So we are going to start with this question we have. So if you want to simplify this expression, what we have to do? We have to factor. Yes, what's the factor of the top? What's the factor of the top? We have two difference between two square. The first one will be 9x squared, yes? So, what's the factor of 9x squared? What's the two factor? Yes, 3x and 3x. What's the factor of y squared? Y and y. Minus and plus. The bottom, we have what? Greatest common factor, which is 7. We can take out 7, so we have 3y plus what? Sorry, 3x plus y. I'm sorry. 3x plus y. I'm going to erase this part. 3x plus y. Now, after that, we have to cancel out what? The common factor, which is 3x plus y, 3x plus y. So your new function is 3x minus y over 7. Okay? This is the simplest form. If he asks for the point that your function is undefined at, so, or the point you have delete from your domain, so the domain will be all real number except the zeros, which is what here? We have variable in two, we have equation in two variables. So he will not ask you for what? For the, yes, the point that your function is undefined at. Only if you have one variable, he will ask you. Like the next example. If you look to the next example, we have one variable, yes, equation or function in one variable, so we can simplify it and we can find the point, zeroth point of the denominator. So what are we going to do? As usual, we have to factor. How we factor the top? Take out common factor, yes. What's the greatest common factor between 6 and 10? 2. What's the greatest common factor between x cubed and x squared? X squared. Now take out 2x squared from 6x cubed, divide, so it's a 3. 3x. And when you take 2, so it's negative 5. Okay? Now, the bottom, we have to take out 3x, x also common factor. So if you take out x, you will have x cubed, 3x squared minus 2x. Did we finish the factoring? No. We still have to factor what? The bottom, which is 3x and x. What's the factor? Yes, 5 and 1. Why I choose 5 and 1, not 1 and 5? Because it should be look like 3x minus 5 in the top. Okay? So it should be look like the top to cancel it out. I'm sorry, I have to. So now 3x minus 5, and because you have negative here, so it should be positive. Now we can cancel out what? 3x minus 5 is 3x minus 5. X is one of the x in the top. So you have 2x in the top now over what? X plus 1. Good job. This is your simplest form. If you ask for the zeros, you have to check your zeros from the original function. So x equals 0. This is the first one you have because you have x in the denominator. So x equals 0. Also, you will have 5 over 3. This is another solution, and x equal negative 1. Okay, don't forget you have 3 zeros. So x equal negative 1 because you have x plus 1 here at the top. Also, we have 5 over 3. There is no 5 over 3, so also we will have 5 over 3. Okay, don't forget that. We will have also 5 over 3. Just we forgot to copy the rest of the function. X equal 5 over 3. This is the third one. Okay, why we have 3 zeros? Because we have cubic function here. So we have at least 3 zeros. We have at least 3 zeros. Maybe 2, maybe 1 real. So just according to our question. Go over the next question, which is, yes, k power 10 plus 9k power 5 plus 18. Are we able to factor it? Yes, we can factor it. It's easy. Just create two parentheses and k power 10. Just find half the power. Half the power. It's 5. So k power 5 and k power 5. What next? What's the factor of 18? Yes. 2 times 9. Okay. 2 times 9. Does it give 2 times 9 give you 9? No. What else? Yeah, 3 and 6. Good job. 3 and 6 give you 9. What about the bottom? K power 5, K power 5. Yes, 9. 3 and 3. Good job. Which part we can cancel out? So what we have now? K power 5 plus 6 over power 5. Zeros of this function. Just make it equal 0. Both here are the same. If you look here, both denominator are the same. So just solve one of them. You don't need both because the solution will be the same. So k plus 3 equals 0. So k power 5, sorry here. So k power 5 equal negative 3. So you have the fifth root of negative 3. Fifth root of negative 3 is negative. Yes. You should have here k equal negative fifth root of 3. Okay? You got it? Have a great day and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Don't forget to submit your work today on Khan Academy.